Presenting new construction in the city of Cleveland on Fenwick Avenue. This newly constructed community of 6 homes, with the model currently built, is located close to the Menlo Park Academy, which is rated Ohio's top elementary school for gifted children. The community is positioned minutes from the Metro Health main campus and is Ohio City adjacent, making it more affordable while at the same time being a part of an up-and-coming area. The homes being built feature 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with a first-floor open floor plan where the owner suite is located. Every home has an Energy Star rating and a 15-year property tax abatement. The rear-loaded 2-car garage allows for the buyer to choose whether to build a deck or a patio. Between the home and the garage, there's also plenty of green space. What makes these modular homes unique is that they are manufactured out of state, never being exposed to the outdoor elements during the building process. These new homes are within minutes of prime Ohio City and downtown amenities. It's a great location. Make an appointment to come out and see us.